So the time has come. We have finally decided to treat ourselves to a new chipper. We've been really impressed with the little Forest Master, so we've upgraded to its bigger brother. Bit wet though, so we're going to get it back to the workshop, assemble it, show you what it looks like. There we go then, all put together, and absolutely dwarfs the little 6 horsepower cousin over there, doesn't it? Very much looking forward to getting this thing up and running, but we need some fluids, we need some fuel, and we need some oil. So yeah, I'll see you on site in the morning. Here we go then, we have just landed on site, one of my regular customers, beautiful gardens. Bit disappointed I didn't get to see the magnolia in bloom. Apparently that was beautiful. Today's little project, we've got this unhealthy looking little prunus to get rid of. Good little test for the new chipper. Now, I have to say, I may have misunderestimated how big this thing is, yeah? So, easy to pick up for 2 of you. But, unless you can deadlift comfortably, kind of 250, 300 pounds, 100 kilos plus, it's a no-go. Like, the engine block alone is a struggle. I'll show you, because I'm on my own today. There we go then, 2 minutes, all assembled on site. Now, first run in, need 1.2 litres of oil, 1030, 1040 or 530, don't really matter. And then we'll top her up with some fuel, fire her up. Apparently, you need to cinch up a little bolt on the drive side. I don't know, we'll see how we get on. So then, fuel on, choke on, revs up a touch, ears on, let's give her a go. So what do we think then after the first run? Brilliant. For its size, it has unmatched power. Well, maybe not unmatched, but for the price, definitely. You can probably get this power in this kind of package for around the £3,000 mark. It's a good grand cheaper, this. 2 niggles, though. Just 2, thus far. Same as on the little miniature 6 horsepower one. These feet are not secured. A couple of little tech screws or bolts through there. Keep them held on. Lovely. What I'd also recommend on the little one, not this one, it's heavy enough. On the little one, drill some holes and put some stakes in as well. If you put a big branch in the back of the little one, it just wants to rock back on you. My other little niggle is these bolts here. They just loosen over time. They do have spring nuts in them, I think. But yeah, I'd probably figure out kind of what angle you're going to use it at the most and really, really wrench them up as tight as you can. That's what I do. That's what I did with the little one, what I'm probably going to do with this one. Other than that, we like it. Controls are all simple. Choke. Throttle is a bit stiff, but I like that. Feels robust. Key start ignition. Got your pull cord as well if you need it. The battery, absolute nightmare to wire up. The little square bolts, square nuts, you just can't get them in there. It's a nightmare without taking all this assembly off as well, which I didn't do. Probably easy if you do that. 10mm spanners for those. Yeah, I think that's about it really. As I say, tore through that. And that last bit I put through as well, that was a good kind of 3-inch, half dead, hard prunus. And now I say that, I remember when I reviewed that 6 horsepower one, the little miniature one. I was at this same address, this same customer, chipping up prunus. Small world, eh? Anyway, Forest Master FM14DD, the electric start one. Thus far, highly recommended. I'll keep you updated as we put it through its paces. Catch you next time.